Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make this detachable collar. These are measurements and materials which I'll be using to create my collar. Now I will show you how I create my detachable collar. First, I'm preparing my ribbons. I'm burning edges on each ribbon end so the edges don't fray. Next, I'm pinning center on this wide ribbon, and this ribbon is 2 centimeters wide. Next, I'm pinning this 1 centimeter wide ribbon on one side of this ribbon in the center there, as you can see there, and I'm repeating same with other ribbon. It looks like that, and I'll be sewing a straight stitch there and there. This is how it looks after I sewed my 3 ribbons together. Next, I will prepare my fabric. My fabric is 1 meter 50 centimeters long. I'm folding my fabric in half and I'm pinning center. Next, I'm gathering my fabric. I'm hand sewing a straight stitch approximately 3 centimeters off the fabric edge, and I'm gathering my fabric so it fits my widest ribbon. Next, I'm attaching wide ribbon center to the fabric center. The gap between ribbon and fabric edge is approximately 2.5 centimeters. Next, I'm folding my seam inside of the widest ribbon like that. And I'm pinning that on the edge of the fabric, approximately 2.5 centimeters of the fabric top. Next, I'm evening out all of the gathering on the fabric and I'm pinning the ribbon on the top of the fabric. And I'm repeating same on other side. And I will be sewing all around the ribbon to attach both layers together. This is how it looks after I sewed the ribbon on a fabric. Nice and neat. Next, I'm removing my gathering stitching out of the fabric. Folding my collar in half, and I'm pinning the center, and now I will sew my label on the center of the collar. And here is my finished collar. If you have any questions how I made this collar, please do comment down below in a comment box. On my next video, I'll show you how I make these matching wrist cuffs. I'll link the link down below in a description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel, and I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.